In front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner, and to go back to standard keyboard, this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. In order to paste it later on, tap on Clipboard and click on your text over here. If you want to, you can always pin it by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, selecting your sentence and using pin icon, and then unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, tap on the pen again, but this time after selecting your text, use pin icon next to the pin one. If you want to switch off Clipboard again, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!